Apple is once again bringing something new and revolutionary to the market as it introduces Apple Vision Pro, one of the most ambitious products that the company has ever created. Let us walk you through the wonders that this product has to offer and how its advanced technology will give you an experience you will never forget. Along with the Vision Pro, Apple also introduces Vision OS with it, Apple's first ever spatial operating system, which will allow you to view your favorite apps right in front of you. This will allow you to use your eyes to navigate, your finger to scroll and tap, and your voice to dictate. With Vision OS, it will feel and sound like the videos and pictures you are watching using Apple Vision Pro is actually and physically there, something incredibly groundbreaking. Now, for its appearance, it is a singular piece of three-dimensionally formed laminated glass that flows into an aluminum alloy frame that curves to perfectly wrap around your face. It has a sleek and modern design while still ensuring comfort, allowing you to use it for hours. It is even designed with a headband that provides excellent cushioning and breathability for extra comfort. Apple Vision Pro is also made to make meetings and FaceTime more meaningful. With this product, you get to collaborate with other people wherever you are. Wearing Apple Vision Pro will make the FaceTime video tiles life-size, so it will feel like you are right in the room with them. Not only this, but Apple Vision Pro will allow you to enjoy a cinematic experience wherever you are, allowing you to watch all your favorite shows in the comfort of your home. This product automatically darkens your surroundings and casts a glow on the screen it creates, so it will feel like you're inside an actual cinema. Making this extra magical is the spatial audio feature, so it will feel and sound like you are part of the movie. Apple Vision Pro is priced at $3,499, which is quite expensive, but Apple assures everyone that the pricing is nothing compared to the magic that you get to experience when wearing the product. These are just some of the many magical and groundbreaking features that Apple's new product has to